Imagine earning $200,000 a year and still being broke. Welcome to Wealth Blueprint.
You know that dream they're always selling? Passive income? The idea that money just magically appears in your bank account while you're off living your life? Well, what if I told you that dream is actually a trap? Seriously, for anyone just starting out, it's pretty much the worst goal you can have. Today, we're going to tear that whole idea down and talk about something way more powerful. We're talking about why you absolutely need active velocity first. All right, let's get right into it.
I want you to picture something for a second. A little rat in a maze. It is running its heart out, completely exhausted, chasing this piece of cheese that it can smell but can never ever reach. See, the rat doesn't get it. The maze was built specifically to keep it running in circles, forever. Now, be honest, when you look at your own finances, does that feel a little familiar?
Well, that maze, it has a name. It's called the passive income maze. And you know what the walls are made of? All that conventional financial advice you hear over and over again. It's the kind of advice that's perfectly designed to make you feel like you're making progress while making absolutely sure you move at a snail's pace. So here it is, the hard truth that nobody really wants to say out loud. That standard playbook, save 10% of your paycheck, buy some safe dividend stocks, and just be patient, that is not a path to freedom. It's a trap. It's designed from the ground up to keep you financially obedient, slow, and stuck right in the middle class. Think that sounds a little harsh? Okay, well, let's just run the numbers. Let's forget all the theory and just look at the cold, hard math of how this strategy actually plays out. This is what I call the $400 wake-up call, and you're about to see why the math just doesn't add up. So imagine you go all in for 1 full year. I mean, you sacrifice. No vacations, no dinners out with friends. You're packing your lunch every single day. And through sheer willpower, you manage to save up $10,000. Let's be real, that is a huge effort.
So you do the smart thing, right? You take that 10 grand you work so hard for, and you put it into a safe dividend ETF. You know, one of those baskets of stocks that's supposed to pay you a tiny little piece of its profits. You're finally on the path. Your money is finally gonna start working for you.
So a year goes by, you log into your account, you're excited to see your big reward. And what's the grand payout for all that sacrifice and discipline? $400 for the entire year. Come on, that's not financial freedom, that's maybe your phone bill. That's an insult. But wait, it gets worse. Here's the truly brutal part. While your money made you a measly $400, inflation was busy making everything else way more expensive. Your rent went up, your groceries went up, gas went up, let's say by $1,000 easy. So you did everything right, and you actually ended the year mathematically poorer than when you started. You went backwards. And this brings us to the most important point of all. Passive income is an amazing tool for people who are already rich. For everybody else, it's just a distraction designed to keep you busy while you lose.
Just look at the raw numbers here. The math doesn't lie. A 4% return is a 4% return. But on your hard-earned $10,000, it's that insulting $400. On a $10 million portfolio, well, that's $400,000 a year. It's a game of scale. And if you don't have scale, you can't win this game.
Okay, so if the old way is a trap, what's the escape plan? It all starts with a huge mindset shift. We call it the velocity mindset. It's about changing the way you see your money entirely, from thinking of it as a stagnant, dead pond to seeing it as a fast-moving, powerful river. See, most people treat their money like a pond. They put a little bit into a savings account and they just wait. And it just sits there, slowly getting eaten alive by inflation. But the wealthy, they treat their money like a river. It has to be moving. It's got to be fast, active, carving new paths and creating more opportunities as it flows. And the force that keeps that river moving is called active velocity. And I want you to notice a key word here. It's a skill. This isn't about luck. It's not about getting a hot stock tip. It is the learnable, repeatable skill of taking a small amount of money and actively, deliberately turning it into a larger amount, fast. It's about action, not patience. I mean, just think about how powerful that is. If you develop the skill to turn $1,000 into $2,000 in a single week, whether it's by flipping some stuff you found, learning a new skill, whatever, you've just made a 100% return. Wall Street is hoping to get you that kind of return in maybe a decade. You just beat their timeline by, well, a lot.
So you're probably asking, okay, that sounds great, but how do I actually do that?
Well, this isn't just some vague idea, it's a real, actionable playbook. So let's walk through the 3-stage wealth ladder. This is your active plan for building real wealth from scratch.
This ladder has 3 very specific stages, and each one has a totally different mission, and you have to master them in this order. You start out as the generator. You graduate to become the sniper, and only then, at the very end, do you build the fortress.
So stage 1 is the generator. Your one and only goal here is to get from zero to your first $100,000 in cash. This is not the time to be thinking about passive income. This is the time for massive, focused action. You're trading your sweat for equity. But here's a critical warning. Pure hustle will burn you out. You have to avoid velocity burnout by building systems for yourself as you go.
Once you've got that initial capital, the entire game changes. Now, you become the sniper. And your mission is to get from 100K to 1 million. And to do that, you have to unlearn the diversification lie. Look, diversification is for protecting wealth, not for creating it. Instead, you concentrate all your focus like a laser on the 1 or 2 things that are really working. And you pour every single dollar of profit back into it. You feed the beast.
And if you don't believe me, just think about it. The people who built truly massive fortunes, they didn't do it by sprinkling a little bit of money across 500 different stocks. No way. They did it through intense, almost obsessive concentration on one single thing. They went all in.
And then finally, after all that active, focused, intense work, you reach stage 3, the fortress. Your goal is now completely different. It's about protecting and growing your $1 million+ dollars. And guess what's finally back on the table? That's right, passive income. Because now the math actually works. A safe 4% yield on $1 million is $40,000 a year. That's real income that pays the bills. That is true financial freedom.
So if you remember one thing, let it be this. Passive income is the trophy you get at the finish line. It is not the pair of running shoes you wear to start the race. To get to that finish line, you've got to lace up your active velocity shoes and just start moving.
Okay, so that's the roadmap. But listen, a map is completely useless if you just stare at it. You have to actually take the first step. So it's time to stop acting like a retiree getting excited over a $3 dividend check and start waking your money up right now.
Here is your mission for this weekend. I want you to find one velocity item in your house. It could be an old guitar, a video game console, a jacket you never wear. Clean it up, take some good pictures, and list it for sale online. The goal here isn't just about making $100. It's about feeling the power of turning something you already own into real cash in your pocket.
You do not need permission from your boss, from a bank, or from anyone on Wall Street to completely change your financial life. The power is already right there in your hands. Now go out there and feel the power of velocity.
If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Join the Wealth Blueprint community